name's Jeff Reinke and I'm with OMG, and I'm here today at Structural Materials in Vista, California to demo our Rhino Bond system. This is the Rhino Bond machine, and what it does is it's changing the look of commercial roofing today. It's taking a mechanically attached roof and making it better. There's a couple things that this machine does. It's very easy to operate. I'm going to show that first. We're going to place the machine over some membrane here with a plate underneath it. I'm hitting the button right now. What it's doing is it's heating the plate up, and it's making the coating on the plate cool. Now we put a magnet on top. The reason for this is we've heated the plate up to melt the coating on it. And the magnet does two things. One, it holds the membrane tight against the plate while it cools, and two, it's pulling the heat. There's a heat sink right there, and it's pulling the heat out of the plate to cool it down. With this tool, you get 6 magnets and 1 tool, and you work across the roof. What it's doing is it's changing the commercial roofing and giving the commercial roofers a better roof. Towards the roofer, there's 3 big advantages to remember. One, we're going to start with full sheets all the way across the roof. No more half sheets or 2 rows of half sheets. We're going to start with 10-foot sheets all the way across. Second advantage is there's going to be no screws or plates in the seams. So as we run down, the labor and the cost for that product is no longer involved in the Rhino Bond system. The third big advantage is we are lapping the membrane with a 3-inch or the fully adhered lap. So right there, that's going to put 50 square feet of membrane right back into the roofer's product. So there's 3 big advantages for the roofer right there with the Rhino Bond system. Now there's benefits also for the building owner, and one of those is it is a better roof. What Rhino Bond is doing is it's putting the wind uplift across the grid of the whole building instead of those sections that we normally hold a mechanically attached membrane down. So those are some of the advantages right there of the Rhino Bond system. Let's break down the system again for everybody. This is the Rhino Bond plate, and this plate would be used instead of using a normal 3-inch rib or flat plate out there for your ISO or your Dens deck. When you put this plate down and obviously screw it down with the normal fasteners you'd use from OMG, then we'd come across with the tool, heating the plate up, and what that does is it melts the coating on the plate. Now again, the magnet does 2 things. One, it holds the plate tight while the coating is a liquid and it solidifies and becomes welded to the membrane. And 2, it's pulling the heat out. So if you notice, the bond that we have between the plate and the membrane, I physically cannot tear that off. There is no way. Now with a pair of pliers I can, but the scrim's going to come out of the membrane while we do that. That's the advantage of the Rhino Bond system. To finalize with the Rhino Bond system, you get 6 magnets and 1 tool. You also get carrying cases for both products, so they're maintained getting to the job, and at the end of the job day they're put in cases so everything's nice. You also get training that comes with it, and all these parts and the screws and the plates are available through Structural Materials.